live. Share your own screen with your audience. That's cool. Let's copy that link. Let's go to I post a story from here. No, I won't be able to on my phone. What am I doing? Oh, it's fucking funny. Staring at my fucking face. All right, fuckers and fuckettes, we're live. I'm gonna do a. Did I say before I had though? And then we'll do that over here. Cool. Charger my shit. Okay, what the fuck are my chargers? Oh, my back. Ooh, my back looks crazy. So it's not. Cool. This. Oh yeah, bro, that's all good. No, I'm not gonna show anything about anything. It's just gonna be literally my face. I'll be talking. I just need somebody to keep me from fucking around and make sure this got done. Okay, let's see. So y'all can be here. I'm gonna need put headphones on, but just the audio portion, I think. Okay, cool. Real bad bitch. Just do what I say so. Dropbox, cover verification, join lens. Okay, so it's good. Get the measured. Not from this session. Worth looking for anything commits to it. If it's working media, it wants to get ignorable too. Here today, 1405, not from this session. Oh yeah, that's a client thing I'm working on. So you're good. Yeah, you can ignore that also. Where the fuck's my? Where's the? I guess this. Debug ceiling, okay. Track stands, open when you come back to it. Caption patch, item 2. Extend toggle for segments 2 and 4. This reel. Phenomenal. Go ahead and give me a continuation document so that I can go ahead and start this over and continue this conversation once I've done it clear. Real bad beats. You should do what I say so. That's still going cool. That's good there. I wonder. Real bad beat. You should do what I say so. Goodness. This one might as well use black magic. I'll use that is just do what I say so. That's cool. That cool for B-roll? That's a fucking mess. Mm-hmm. What do I want? Maybe a 7. Cool. Baby. Oh, dude, I got tech neck? What the heck? I just be sitting like this? Oh no. That's what I'm looking at. Oh. One discrepancy with the okay. Cool. Okay, what am I doing with my life? Okay. Let's see. Which no cap job today? Captain Patch. Okay, so what we'll do is go ahead and give me that caption patch. So the caption patch I'll take care of. The audio mix, fuck it. Go ahead and assign some sub agents to go do that. And as far as the tooling wins, yeah, let's get some sub agents spawned and those tasks assigned. Now I'll tell you, Tmux, we have a chatter session with Codex. So I think that would be more effective use of our time. So instead of having you do the tooling stuff or the audio stuff, or I don't remember if you did well with audio, but the caption patch, leave that for me. I'll open CapCut and add it myself, I guess. We can talk about that here in this session. And then for the tooling wins, I want that to go to our chatter session. It should still be live. And then I want Claude to come up with a plan. To use Fable to plan it, and then have Codex actually be the one to go through and complete the process. And then we could be looking at the audio mix too, I guess, at the same time. You could please do that. Thank you so much. Oh, they haven't gone out to eat. Fuck. Okay. Oh. Okay, let's see. So it's done. All right, be right back. I'm back. Okay, let's see. I need this. La mamma si pone contenta. Oh, oops. Hi, girls. Come on. Let's go outside. Move, Arya. Move. Right. Sit, both of you. Sit. Arya, sit down. Arya, sit, dude. I'm waiting on you. You're gonna sit up. Sit. Arya, sit. Thank you. It's so funny. My fucking mic's on. Yelling at the puppies. Ready to come again? All right, thank you. Come on in. I know, I got you. Come on, give me a second. All right, come here. Get inside. I know, I have your food. Hold on. I don't know who's who. Y'all figure that shit out. Oh, sorry, baby. All right, so there's food. Y'all decide. Here you go, Ari. Go for it. Okay. Two things for me. Wait. Oh, yeah. He hasn't replied. I guess just to compile it with the assumption that that's missing, maybe put like a placeholder, like a block or something that says probably missing, and then just put whatever's next after that gap after. That makes sense. So we'll put a small placeholder where it would go once we have it. But if we don't have it now, I don't want to wait around until he replies. So let's just put it together with what we have, and then we'll piece it. And then if he's like, oh no, we don't have any more footage, then we'll just remove the placeholder and keep it pushing. Pick the separation beds. Bed drops relative to voiceover. What the heck? As far as audio mix, so one of the things that I like about the Edits app is that it allows for volume ducking. So the volume ducks only when I'm speaking. So if that's all you're doing as far as audio mix, maybe just leave it alone. Unless you can figure out ducking, then by all means. But if you're gonna lower the entirety of the volume, then I'm not gonna. It'll be better if I just use the Edits app and use the volume ducking automation. Caption on. That removal is the real job. Busy. We'll read. So it'll be both manual for now, and we'll want to automate it later. The thing is, not really removal, I don't think, because the captions came up only in two separate occasions. They're like two tiny from the entire video. There was two barely visible captions from behind my head that I'm literally just gonna place a block of text over. Like I'm just gonna put it on top of. It'll cover a little bit of my hair, but it's not necessarily a removal. Honorable. Oy, oy. That's crazy. I'm so fucking dead, bro.
Each hoof lands where it means to land. Grass folds under all that weight. High heat settles, north wind turns. That even stride keeps pressing on. Hold the ground, let the white sky breathe. Senator Trudy's red as far as you see. Bulls carry power, heifers carry calm. Raise, raise, steady.
Not my fault. Actually, before we have you go ahead and do all that, let's get a handoff and resume document so that we can continue this conversation. I want to clear the context window before you get too far. Her bad bitch, just do what I say so. That's fucking dude. Is that normal? Am I supposed to be funny? Dude, let me find out I got a crazy ass technique. Oh. Am I cook? Oh, man, okay. Let's do. I'm just gonna play some B-roll. Wait, like this. No. Real bad bitch. You should do what I say so. Yo, welcome in, welcome in. I have no idea who the hell is here, but thank you for joining. Let's see. Well, I did say I was going to yap on AI, so if you have any questions, I don't know what page you're coming from. So if you're from my personal page, what's up? If you're here to talk AI, let's chop it up. Adios. Okay. Nothing is committed. Entirely untracked. All 6 pipeline scripts, both context. Okay, blah, blah. All right, go for it then. Go ahead and commit those changes. We don't have to push anything if you don't have to, but let's just get everything tracked. And let's ignore any media. I don't know, upload any of the client's media itself, but I do want to keep track of everything else we've been doing. Real bad bitch, you do what I say so. What I want. Ooh. Keep no caps. I gotta make this shit fucking easier to read. Holy. This is a good teaching moment. Where's my phone at? Yo. Again, I'm not sure who's here, but welcome in, welcome in. Yapping AI. I'm actually about to show some shit. So I don't know if you deal with this, but there's a lot of reading with Cloud Code. Something I've been doing recently is I have it make me a HTML and draw me some fucking pictures. So excuse me while I record this piece of content for my AI page. Cool. How is this? Bro, fuck all this reading with Cloud Code. Here's what I started doing instead. Yo, okay, yeah, that's a lot of fucking reading. I need some pictures, my guy. Go ahead and just spin up a local server. Get me a detailed image via HTML so that I'm able to map out and look at exactly what you're talking about in this text, but with some pictures, so it's easier to read. So verify this first thing. Dope. Phenomenal. Okay, so what do we got? We have the. Oh, you already have the full thing. Let me see. Go ahead and open the final .mp4 and then I guess also the compiled unclean version, maybe, just so I can see the difference. Because I don't know what the original even looked like. I didn't even look at it. So open both and let's take a look. Well, our context window is kind of high already, so let's clear our context window first, and then we can do all that. So get a handoff document ready, get a continuation prompt ready, and then let's clear the context first. Oh, it's the same one. It's just still blowing up. Let's go. Real bad bitch. You do what I say so. Everybody in the big guy. You go. Was flagged up in the dock rather than both files are sent. So 2 full open plays enabled in your Mac at full quality or short side by side in segment. Wow. Good, I guess. Freak out. Oh, shit. Okay. Let's copy that shit. Verification. Fuck, I don't know. What's the last of it?
Yeah, that's a lot of fucking reading. I need some pictures, my guy. Go ahead and just spin up a local server. Get me a detailed image via HTML so that I'm able to map out and look at exactly what you're talking about in this text, but with some pictures, so it's easier to read. Yep.
All right, this is first. All right, this is first try. Let's see what we got. Oh shit, okay. So let's see. All right. So I was working on some edits for the reel, but as you can see, I mean, it's a lot cleaner, right? And now I know what they're talking about. Now I know what the issues are. So it'll save you. So if you're anything like me and it's difficult to read a lot when it's a bunch of shit you have to decide, just get some pictures made. Okay, let's see. So where my footage actually is, 26 chip, view and render, 4 windows, B-roll and touch, okay. Yeah. Okay. I was misunderstanding. Adding yours on top without removing theirs, that's 2 disagreeing caption tracks. But, and that's where I think you're wrong. Hold on. Okay. Okay, so that's there. Where the fuck's my other terminal? Kodaba, whatever. Okay. 1 frame per second. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, and then 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, 23, 24, 25. Okay, yeah. The captions I was talking about placing over were the ones in the frames per second, 11 and 12, and 24 and 25. So we'll keep the original caption track. And in 11 and 12, 24, 25, we'll just copy their caption track. We'll make a caption track that looks exactly, we'll make captions look exactly like theirs and just place it where the seam is apparent on those clips. Okay. Okay, get that. Flat gain, ducking, not a flat out. So music stops. Okay. Claude, 5 work items ranked by time saved. Next. So what do you need? Keep the edge strip still parked in last session. What? And then I'm not sure what do you mean by the edge strip. Yeah, I'm not sure what you mean. Wait. This? Oh shit. Sick. Freak out. Go back, bitch. You should do what I say. So back. Ay, ay. Let's see.
I just asked me not to do the podcast editing live, so instead I'm going to be sitting there yapping about AI related stuff while I do the podcast edits anyway, because
Bro, I know. Good thing I fucking asked. That's what I asked him like 2 hours before I made this video. And literally, as I was like, going to post it on the story, he hits me. He's like, please don't do that. And I'm like, chingao. So, fuck it. Well, so I end the live here. Thank you for coming. Bye, guys. Yeah.